Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve Summer 2020 Paper 11, question number 26 to 30. If you didn't watch my previous videos, please watch those videos first to get the continuation. Let's start. Question number 26. The data relate to three products X, Y, Z. The company experiencing shortage of labor. In which order should the product rank to maximize profit? Product will be ranking based on the contribution per unit and what is the shortage labor. How many labor is required to produce one unit? So here we can check. Product Z is having high contribution, more contribution and less labor hours required. So we can give the first ranking to product Z. Next, contribution is product Y brings 175 is the contribution. This is more than compared to product X. But the labor hours required is more than product X is required only 1 labor hour, while here product Y required 1.25. So we gives the second rank to product X and third ranks goes to product Y. So the sequence is ZXY. Correct answer is ZXY. C. Next, a company has the following budgeted information of May: selling price, variable cost, total fixed cost. Company is planning to buy a new machine which will reduce the variable cost by 20% and increase fixed cost by 20%. What is the change in break-even sales unit? Break-even sales unit is equal to fixed cost divided by contribution. Fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. So here fixed cost is 56,000. Contribution 120 minus 80, 40. Contribution is equal to selling price minus variable cost. Contribution is equal to selling price minus variable cost. Here 120 minus 80 is equal to 40. So contribution is 1,400 is the contribution. Now, if the company purchased new machine, reduce the variable cost by 20%. Here the variable cost is 80. 80 minus 20%. 80 minus 20% of 80, it comes 80 minus 20% of 80, it comes 64. Then fixed cost increased by 20%. 56,000 plus 56,000 plus 20% is equal to total fixed cost will be 67,200. So the new break-even sales is equal to 67,000 200 divided by contribution. Selling price minus variable cost. 120 minus 64 is equal to 67,200 divided by 56. Answer is 1,200. Before the break-even sales was 1,400 was the break-even sales. But new break-even sales is 1,200. It is decreased from old break-even sales. 200 is the 1,400 minus 1,200. 200 decreased by 200 units decreased. So the correct answer is decrease by 200 B. 28. What does cost volume profit analyze? Assume cost to change. Cost volume profit analysis mainly it analyze the sales volume. The first one wrong, second is wrong. It's easy. Sales volume. So the correct answer is 3. 28. Correct answer is D. 29. A business has sales revenue 400,000, fixed cost 140,000, its contribution to sales ratio 40%. What is the sales revenue if the profit for the year increased by 40,000? So, to know the profit increased by 40,000, first we have to know the current profit. Profit is equal to sales minus contribution. Sales minus variable cost is equal to contribution minus fixed cost. Sales minus variable cost is equal to contribution. Contribution minus fixed cost is equal to profit. Here the contribution is not given. So we can calculate the contribution. Contribution by sales is equal to 40% is given. So contribution divided by sales 400,000 into 40 is equal to 40%. So contribution is equal to 40,000 multiply 40%, 160,000. So here selling price minus variable cost is equal to contribution. Contribution we calculated 160,000 minus 140,000 is equal to 20,000 is the profit. Now, if the profit is increased by 40,000, now the profit is 20,000. If it is increased 40,000, the new profit will be 60,000. So, 60,000 contribution minus fixed cost is equal to contribution minus fixed cost is equal to 20,000 plus 40,000. So, contribution minus fixed cost. Fixed cost is already given in the question. Fixed cost is 140,000. So contribution minus 140,000 is equal to 60,000. So contribution is equal to 60,000 plus 140,000 is equal to 200,000. Now we can calculate what is the sales revenue. Sales revenue is equal to C by sales revenue is equal to C by S is equal to 40%. Here 40%. Here contribution is, we calculated the contribution. 200,000 is the contribution divided by sales revenue is equal to 40%. So sales is equal to 200,000 multiply 100 divided by 40 is equal to, how much it comes? 500,000. So our correct answer is 500,000. Question number 29 we are doing now. So the correct answer is D. Next, the last question, question number 30. Budgetary control system have just been introduced by a company, but employees have not achieved their target. Reason given for this are: the budget was unrealistic, actual trading condition differed from budget, the workforce need more training. Which reasons should be considered when evaluating employee performance? First one, the budget was unrealistic. It may be one reason. Next, actual trading condition differ. Yes, it always different from the budgeted one. Workforce need more training. These all are correct. So the correct option is A. Hope all are clear with the solution. Thanks for watching.